You know what I also see in that video? I see kids that I taught over the years, and I see them from all sorts of income backgrounds, all sorts of ethnic backgrounds, and what I'm reminded of is what Yvette Jackson talked about in her book, The Pedagogy of Confidence, and that is the brain craves enrichment, and that kids grow from their strengths. And we've got to look for the gifts in kids and not just seek out the quote-unquote gifted. And I think about that, and I see my kids, and some of them from the hood, and some of them from very stable homes, and some of them are from homes on golf courses. They're all there, and they're all engaged.